You remember the story of Shavono Ntokoto? Yes, Basegiyani that had a toxic relationship, and I told you I was gonna come back and tell you what went down at the court with Untokoto, uJoanne wakamabasa lo wadecide ukuthi akwazi i-boyfriend yakhe ebimenzela yonke into, ebimdrivela u-6 hours yeGiyani yombona before she came to Johannesburg. I think this girl is just ungrateful and unappreciative. Mina, that's just my thing. Because mase seyiphuma kahle iy'tori zakhe, and people were outside the court yesterday on the first day bephethe ama-placards laphana, justice for the Ntswanisi boy. This guy, bathi nje asidlali. The brother was also there. He spoke to media as well. Okusho ukuthi nje we just want justice, and how they were thinking as a family when they saw their relationship, they thought they will grow older together. Cabanga guys into ebuhlungu kanje. 22 usubulela umuntu okade kuthanda nini ngoMeyi bathi wenza ivideo. Hayi ukuthi bathi ikhona ku TikTok ayisowethi wenza ivideo wathi umuntu nje mina enza izinto engizeka ngishaya nabangani bakhe o enzeni wakhombisa ungathi uthi uzomsika ngommese, wakhombisa umqala nemuno. Uyabona ukuthi into zakho lezo, it was premeditated into yakhe. Angiboni ukuthi uzophuma ejele. Sisters at 22 your life is done. That's what I said on the first video. I'm just like, what were you thinking is going to happen? No matter what happened actually between the two of them, you can't take anyone's life. It's not allowed. You can't be going around unaliving people. And then they interviewed a few friends, Abamaziyo, who were outside court as well, there to support. You know, he actually got a lot of support here, guys. But besides that, guys, like you can't be unaliving people. Why? Who even does things like that? Although we don't know when is the next, but they were there. Like she, who sisters, was expecting bail. I don't think she's gonna get bail. But for now, I guess. I mean, they never really told us when is the next court date. But I will keep you posted of what's going on with this case, like I had promised anyways, because basically the Ntswaniswe guy needs to get justice, guys. I mean, it's only fair. You can't be when I'm roaming around the streets, uhamba kwazana nabantu. Ngoba chances are you actually even a flight risk, in fact. Ngoba nje uyazi ukuthi ukwazi abantu. Angithi uke washo wena ngoMeyi ukuthi wena nje umuntu onjanga xakekisi uzomgwaza. How? And ngempela wamgwaza. It's just like, what's wrong with you? What got into you? You know? So the brother, like I was still saying, he was just saying, all we want is just justice. I mean, and then another friend he also said, no, uyabazi ube nokuhanga around nabo and sisters. Just as much as boyfriend wasn't talking about it, but sisters ube nokumu undermine. Yabona nje ambukele phansi and be saying stuff in front of friends. Imagine. But it's not something that they will talk about, like bona is friends with her umngani wethu. Manje girlfriend him give her, like right in front of us. What was that all about? So yabona into engakhulumi. Yabona ukuthi olunye uthando guys look right. Why can't we just talk about these things? Mase also tonight as a couple mase sifike endlini ukuthi you can't speak to me like that. Not necessarily in front of my friends, in general. Uyabona and usuyabona manje even nandendlela ebisemgwaza ngayo and all of that, you just like, okay, kusho ukuthi kahle wena you are this person or abusive. You understand? Unenhlukumezo as a person. Awukho right, you know. So ke sime lapho guys, if makukhona engikuzwayo I will let you know. Thank you guys for supporting this new channel. Kuningi eMzansi is actually growing faster than any of my channels. I appreciate you guys. I'm grateful. Ngithanda over.